Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use simple Green Outdoor Odor Eliminator. First, it's important to prepare your outdoor space. Begin by removing any solid waste from the area you plan to treat. Next, give the bottle a good shake to ensure the formula is well mixed. Finally, securely attach the sprayer nozzle to your garden hose. These simple steps ensure you're ready for effective odor elimination. Now, let's apply the product. Turn on your water supply and push the safety tab, then turn the nozzle control clockwise to the on position. Generously spray the entire area, working from the farthest point back. For stubborn, heavily soiled spots, a light scrub with a brush after spraying can be very helpful. If you're not using a hose, remember to dilute 1 part odor eliminator with 8 parts water in a separate container. This powerful formula is designed to tackle a variety of outdoor odors. It uses natural enzymes to break down and eliminate smells caused by animal urine, stool, vomit, and other organic matter at their source. You can confidently use it on many surfaces, including natural grass, artificial turf, gravel, and concrete. It's ideal for refreshing patios, decks, dog runs, and kennels, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. To get the best results, consider applying the odor eliminator during cooler parts of the day, such as the evening, to prevent it from drying too quickly. After spraying, lightly mist the treated area with plain water. This helps extend the life of the odor-reading microorganisms. Allow the area to air dry completely. For persistent odors or in areas with frequent pet activity, regular reapplication every few weeks will help maintain a fresh outdoor environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.